First things first, I appreciate your support. I'll show you the before and after service and maintenance on this washing machine. Before that, we are Home Appliances Repair. We deal with the laundry and kitchen appliances. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Now let's get back to this. When this client gave me a call, he mentioned that the machine was staining clothes, so he needed basic service. He was looking at the machine from the outside. From the outside, it looked good and in good condition. Guys, look at this. This is terrible. So what I told him is I'll send my guys over. Let them assess the machine. That's why we insist on diagnosis. Even if you call us for just cleaning service, we insist on diagnosis. So I told them, let me send my guys over. Let them have a look at the machine. Then we advise if you need deep cleaning or you just need the normal service. This machine needed deep cleaning. You all know the machine is dirty until we open that drum. Look at this. Imagine he was washing clothes in such a machine. It was smelling, rusted. You can see this. This is bad. So if you have a washing machine that is staining clothes, if you have a washing machine that is taking time to wash, like if you put it on a quick 30, it takes an hour plus. Hey, it needs deep cleaning. If not, take good care of your machine and it will take good care of your clothes. Ignore that machine and it will mess up your clothes. So book for maintenance, books for service. If you're calling a technician, it's on deep cleaning. Deep cleaning is quite expensive compared to the normal service. I repeat, deep cleaning is expensive compared to the normal service. You might waste your money by going for the cheaper option, but the machine will still have issues. This brings me to this point. Deep cleaning only applies to those machines that the drums are not sealed. If you have a sealed drum, you will never do deep cleaning. We have these brands on the Kenyan market. When you buy them, you will never do deep cleaning because the drums are completely sealed. That's why we insist, before you buy a machine, do research, ask, don't play yourself.